All right, welcome back to the double shift hour. At Brandon High School tonight. We're gonna start in the parking lot while they trimming that. I'm gonna use my bucket truck over here to start this takedown over here over the baseball field. Well, it's actually two takedowns. This little oak tree right here, this little tree right here, and this pine. These both come down over the shed. Come on. That should be good. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, this pine and this little ugly oak come down. About to fuck it up. Double shift.